Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and make sure you have subscribed to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel. And in this video I will be streaming WWE Mayhem for new types of tournaments that I have been playing on this YouTube channel. So make sure you have subscribed to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel, and I will bring such amazing fight in WWE Mayhem YouTube channel. So in this video or in the stream I will be playing the event mode, and let's play this event. Okay, let's begin this challenge. And in this in the previous stream I have played this match because of unavailability of the resources, I was not able to complete the mission. But today I will try to complete this entire tournament. And the first thing I have to deal with is Kofi Kingston. So I'm gonna play with the Kofi Kingston, but the very first thing I will do is I have to upgrade my character. But I think John Cena is already upgraded, so I think I have completed this season. I think nope, I have not, so I'm gonna play it right away. Make sure you have subscribed to WWE Mayhem by smashing that subscribe button. 3, 2, 1 and let's get started. Okay, I will be using my special move, diving leg drop, and Kofi Kingston lost his 110 health. I will be using my other super moon, super suplex. That's awesome. He is also charging, so I will actually, Knuckles Shuffle is one of the least move I have tried on my channel. 2, 3. It was one of the easiest match. Make sure you have liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel, and like and share this video. I will be bringing such WWE fights on this channel. The very first match is complete. Now let's fight with Styles. Events can be great way to train and rank your superstars. Okay, that's awesome. Here we go. AJ Styles, I'm gonna crush you right away. He's not going to. Is he? Oops, this is submission, and I will try my best to submit this game. Okay, I think that's not possible for now because the health of AJ Styles is very high for now. He's blocking my moves, and I will be doing a running bulldog. AJ Styles lost his a lot of health. Again, the diving leg drop. This is one of the best move in this John Cena character. Oops, I failed the pinpoint submission. But I think this match will be, credited to me because I have been doing great. The suplex makes it sure that the submission is danger pin submission. Like you can see right now, it was danger pin submission, and John Cena won the match. I have been gaining a lot of perks in the game. Okay, I have got tier 1 reward boxes. Now let's fight with Kevin Owens. His points is also lesser than the point of John Cena, but the one thing I would like to tell you is that the moves of Kevin Owens is much better than my character. Like you can see that he blocks a lot of my moves, so I have to be pretty much careful when dealing with the Kevin Owens. Okay, I don't think I will be able to submit this because the health of Kevin Owens is much higher. Like you can see, I was not able to. Okay, he's blocking and he did his special move towards me. Oops, submission time. No, I can't. Okay, yes. I can't lose this match. Fisherman suplex. Nope. You can see that the Kevin Owens is much better when it comes to moves. I will try my lagging drop, and I think that will be a danger pin submission for now. Yep, that's brutal. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I won this match. If you really like my video, make sure to subscribe to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel. I will be bringing such matches frequently on this YouTube channel and other WWE related movie videos and streams. So make sure you have subscribed to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel. As you can see that I have also won other tier reward boxes. So I will be claiming these boxes and move towards my next opponent, who is Seth Rollins. And this time my the health of my character is decreased, so I will be selecting Chao Gable. But the points of the Seth Rollins is much higher than the points of my character, so I'm gonna upgrade him. I have 2105 cash, so I will be using some of that cash, and hopefully the level of my character is now also increased, which is a good thing and one of the best way to win over your opponents in the game. Let's see who gets the more point. Okay, my character have more points, and now let's see if I am able to win over my opponent or not. Hustle, loyalty and respect is one of the best tagline for the WWE match. Okay, belly approach. This was tough one, but as you can see the Seth Rollins is struggling towards me. Okay, this is one of the trickiest move I have tried for now. Okay, I will try to submit it because I can't afford to lose this match. But I think nope. But Seth Rollins lost his a lot of health. Fisherman suplex. Yep. Suplex has a greater way to you can see that I am getting a danger point submission. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that was tough one, guys. This was a trickiest one. I am getting good at this game. If you want to watch such streams, make sure you have liked and shared this video with your friends and family members. Another tire box, which is a great example of how good I am this game. Oops, that's my character versus John Cena. The health of my character is also decreased. Let's see if I have any health left. Nope, I don't have any health, so I'm gonna play this match anyway. Okay, John Cena, let's see what you have got. I will be first to, do the Boston Crab. I don't know why this is tough,
No chance.
I'm not able to grab him for the good amount of time. He's also ready to, do his special moves. DDT. Okay, I am able to do the DDT thing to him. Minus 103. He is also ready to do his special moves, so I will be careful.
This could end his
Nope, nope,
career.
nope, that was not good.
Signature move. The attitude adjustment.
I
That'll
should
be
have
heard
looked
all
at
around
his.
the world. Oh, such technique. This could end his career. This
Okay,
is what the
that's
fans
belly
came to
to
see.
belly suplex.
I've never seen anything like this.
Yep, you have not seen anything like this because that's me.
He's not going
Oops,
to.
he did his
Is
special
he?
move again, knuckle shuffle.
The five
And I
knuckle
think I will
shuffle.
lose a lot of health this time.
That'll be heard all around
Yep,
the
that's
world.
danger pin submission and I can't afford to lose this. Yep, that's
Almost.
a kick out. Tough kick out.
Spectacular.
I'm gonna get you, bro. Believe me.
Boston Crab.
That's it. That's
Submitted.
it for you.
Astonishing.
Yep, astonishing. I won this match, but I have lost a lot of health because I have got 3 tire boxes. I will collect them. Now let's see what's in the loot box. Let's open these boxes. I really need health boxes. Yep, I have got 200 health. Let's see what's in my other loot cases. Okay. The beginners is 57% completed. Now let's try the normal mode. Now it's me versus Jake Roberts. Let's see who won. Okay, the health of my character is full for now, but you can see the health of my opponent is very uh, I can't afford this much, but I can afford this much.
You're leveled up.
Yes, I'm leveled up, but I won't be able to compete with him for now, but let's try. Events don't last forever, so keep an eye on the time. Okay,
And here we go.
just look at his moves, guys.
I can't believe what
Nope,
I'm
he did
seeing.
his special move, atomic drop.
Oh my goodness.
Just look at my health. Another special move and
I
I'm done.
can't watch
Okay,
this.
I'm done.
DDT. Too much pain for one man.
Yep, that's too much pain.
Get up. Almost. This could end
Nope,
his
nope,
career.
nope, I can't even stand in
Jumping
front of that
clothesline.
guy.
Oh, he's in danger
That's
of being pinned.
direct submission.
He's in trouble.
Yep, I'm in trouble. How can you win over such great health, bro? You also need to have much. His health was more than double. How can I stand in front of him? I have to try the versus mode. Nope, not the versus, but okay, my characters are, out of health. All my superstars are out of health for now. And that's not a good thing because I need to have them charged in order to play the game. So I'm gonna go to the health tab and purchase some health. Okay, my superstar is now healed, and now let's continue with the game. Upgrade your superstar and get back into the ring. Okay.
There's the bell.
Yep, I'm gonna crush you, Kevin Owens, but he used his special ability, the tag, the diving leg drop, and I think that will be cost him a lot of health, as you can see. He is also ready to do his special move, but I think I will do the Boston Crab leg for him. Yep, he will go with the submission, but I think I'm not able to because he got a lot of health. The tag. Nope. I should have looked into his special ability, but he was supercharged. Nope. He did his another type of suplex. Nope, again. How? Okay, that's a tag. I think I have to call the John Cena. Only he can deal with these boss people. He is supercharged, and I will do the running bulldog. Bam! That's brutal, I know. He is supercharged, so I have to be careful. Nope.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Corner clothless. Driving leg drop. I will try to do my driving leg drop, and I think that will be a danger point submission. I hope. Nope, that's not. He is supercharged, so I have to come back and block his move. He used his tag.
He's in trouble.
Nope, yes, I am in trouble. That Superman punch. That's not good, guys. I lost a lot of my health.
Oh yes.
And I think I have to use my Fisherman suplex.
Boston Crab.
Yep. I think that's good way for me to submit.
He is barely holding on.
No, that's not good.
Without the bell ringing.
Yep, I have to call my other partner because he gets a little bit more health.
Nice.
No, he did his.
Boston Crab.
Oh yes, I reversed his.
Just how much pain can one man withstand?
Yep, that's tapped. I won. This was very tough one, guys. Very tough one. I was literally hoping I was literally thinking that I won't be able to do this, but here am I. Change the moment of the match by reversing your opponent charge attack with a special move. Okay, now it's my character versus AJ Styles, but as you can see that most of my characters don't have any health left, and I also don't have any type of health. No type of boost is available. I have also created a video on this channel how you can make sure that you have the proper heal. And if you have not watched the video, make sure you have watched the video so that you can gain many type of health. I got the 3 gold from the event. That's awesome. As you can see, I have to choose one of the superstar, but the health of my character is very low, so I have to use claimed a health box. I will use it on John Cena, and I have claimed the free health offer. Now let's continue. As soon as the match started, you have to crush your opponent in front of him. This way you can unlock more of your super moves, but he used a super move in front of me, and how can I do that? I will use the running bulldog super move, and bam, minus 94, but he still got more health than mine, and he is ready to do his super move. So he lost his super charge, so I'm gonna try to do my own super charge.
Spectacular.
And that's running leg drop right there, and bam, minus 94. He's struggling, guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think who is gonna win the match. I have to unlock my super ability so that I can nope, he's also supercharged. Okay, Boston Crab, yeah.
Danger of submitting here.
And I don't think he will submit because he have left a lot of energy, and I won't be able to, but I can also make him lose a lot of his health, like you can see. But he's supercharged, so I have to be very careful, and wait till I unlock my health. He's blocking. Oh no, he used his special ability. Phenomenal forearm, and I think that will be danger pin for me.
Forearm.
Yep,
Taking him downtown.
danger pin for me. And that's a kick out. That was a very tough kick out, guys. And he's also again supercharged, and I think that will be a direct submission. Oops, nope, that's not good. That's not good in any way.
A loss now would be catastrophic.
Yep, that's a kick out. I also get only one. No,
Seen here.
no.
Oh man, the style.
That's it. Direct submission.
Get up. And what an incredible battle.
No, that was. Leave a comment in the section.
And there's the bell.
Okay, as soon as the match starts, make sure you are okay, he's blocking my move, so it's time to get backwards, and now I'm gonna push myself into him, and I will wait for the special ability.
What's this?
I don't know why my health is very low.
Brutal.
I forgot to supercharge my character, and if he did his special ability like he's doing right now,
SOS.
I think that's
Be
a
heard all around the
danger
world.
pin. I don't know it was bug or what, but
Get up. Inconceivable.
I was trying to heal my character, but his health was full, and now it's saying that my health is low. That's not good.
What is he up to? Just how much pain
Submission.
can someone
I will do my best.
Submitted.
Oops,
Doesn't get
I'm
any
lost.
closer to the net without the bell ringing.
But it's one move and he's
Setting up his
done,
opponent.
guys. And like running bulldog.
A
It's
loss now would
danger
be
pin.
catastrophic.
2, 3. Yes, that's all.
But I still don't
I win over again. That's very good, Okay, some cash, some event related stuff. This game is pretty much fun to play, I will leave a link to this game in my comment section, so make sure you have downloaded and played this game. I have also created a game related to some of the best games which are available on the Play Store. Okay, I think I have to watch a ad to boost my superstar, but how can I do that? Okay, let's watch a free ad.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसी एप्लीकेशन लेकर आया हूं जिससे आप महीने के हजारों रुपए कमा सकते हैं। रोज आप हजारों रुपए अर्न कर सकते हैं अपने घर बैठे मोबाइल फोन की मदद से। दोस्तों, ये एप्लीकेशन एक ऐसी एप्लीकेशन है, ये रमी एप्लीकेशन है जिससे आप घर बैठे अच्छा खासा पैसा कमा सकते हैं और आपको यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं 40 रुपए बिल्कुल फ्री। जैसे आप डाउनलोड करते हैं आपको यहाँ पर 40 रुपए का बोनस मिल जाएगा।
Okay, now my superstar is fully healed. Let's continue to the game.
Well, we're off to a winning start.
Oops, he's blocking my move. Nope. He's again blocking my move. It will be a pretty... Nope. That's not good.
My eyes.
Okay, I will use my special ability. Nope, he blocked my
They
move.
know what's coming. He's not going to.
That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I think I will lose a lot of my health. That's -2 to 8. Okay, now the submission thing.
Submitted.
Submission thing. Okay, I think he will submit.
He's
No.
back in it.
That's not good. He still got a lot of stamina. Okay, he's again blocking my move. Nope. Okay, I will try my special move again. That's Fisherman Suplex.
Fisherman suplex.
And AJ Styles is in, danger. Now again the Superman
Pandemonium in the
Suplex.
ring.
Oops, that's not Superman Suplex but a running bulldog.
No, he's in danger of being pinned.
Danger pin 1, 2. Oops.
He died. Oh wait, he's not.
Oh my god, that's not good. That's a super diving knee. Okay, that's for a critical. Again. The super move which is diving leg drop.
Goodness. Wouldn't
And I
want
think
the
that
other
will be
receiving
a
end of that.
last danger pin.
And it's all over.
And I won again.
Look what you made me do.
If you want such gameplays on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to WWE Mayhem. I will be uploading many such games on this channel. Now let's play with Bobby.
A capacity
As soon as the match starts, I will, try to.
Oh, here we go again.
Yep. Bam.
Too much
My
pain
health
for
is
one
low, and
man.
I think this match will be tough one for me.
Hey, here's the setup.
No.
No,
Shit.
no,
Military
no.
press drop.
Military press drop.
Oh, that's
He's in danger of being
Kick
pinned.
out.
Almost.
that was a very
Magnificent.
that was very very tough kick out. Fisherman suplex.
Setting up his opponent. I can't believe what I'm seeing here.
Bam.
Suplex.
Again Fisherman suplex.
How much more punishment can one endure?
Nope. Delayed vertical suplex, and I think that's it for my character. Get
There's
back
the
to you.
bell.
That's Bobby Lashley. I'm sorry, guys. That's not Big E.
Uh-oh. We know
Uh-oh.
what's coming. Jumping clothesline.
Jumping clotheslines.
Oh, yes. This is what the fans came to see. Military press
He's
drop.
just beating me.
Such technique.
That's not good.
Look at this.
Yep.
Boston Crab.
Submission thing.
Submitted.
Yeah, submitted.
Just how much pain can one man withstand? He's
No.
back in it.
His health is very,
He's
less,
setting up
and
his opponent.
this is the running bulldog, and I think that will be a danger
Never
pin
seen
submission from
anything
him.
like this.
And the
Oh,
John
he's
Cena
in trouble.
versus Bobby Lashley. Nope,
He died.
I didn't make it, but I think that will be an easy thing for
Oh,
me
wait,
to
he's
deal
not,
with,
he's not going to,
because
is
his
he?
health is very, low, and that's the attitude adjustment. And as you can see, that John
I've
Cena
seen it
wins.
all tonight.
Now it will be a final submission,
Someone's tail is tucked between their
and I
legs.
won. Look at the muscles of John Cena. Very bulky muscles. I got some reward boxes. That's some cash and some milk.
We're off to a winning start. Oh,
Bottom
he's
grab.
taking him downtown.
I don't know why I used this move, because he won't be submitting, his health is very
No chance.
he's supercharged for now, so he won't be, he's grabbing me. Oops, he used my same move, and I think I will be able to submit it this time, because if I'm not, then
It doesn't get any
Yeah.
closer than that without the bell ring. He's not going to. Is
yes, that's running bulldog
he?
again.
Oh, too
Slam
much
minus
pain for one
78.
man. This can end his career.
He used my same
Lost in the
move.
woods.
I was using my special ability, and at that time he used his own move. No,
This is it.
I can't. Oh my god, look at my health, guys.
Magnificent.
My health is like, finished in just few seconds. Damn, minus
Ooh,
78.
that'll leave a mark.
That will be a tough
such
point
technique.
for me. I don't know if I will be able
Here's
to
the
make it,
setup.
and I think that's it for me.
Signature move.
He will be using his signature move,
Welcome
horn
to the honor
roll,
roll. That'll be
and I
heard
think
all around the
this will
world.
be submission without pin pad.
Outstanding.
And I lost to this guy. Look at his actions, his special moves. Very funny guy. Yep, that's the defeat. I don't need any offers from WWE. All I need is to beat Xavier. But I have to heal him this time.
I can't wait to get started.
This is John Cena versus Xavier Woods.
Yes.
Running bulldog. I will try to do the running bulldog on Xavier. And bam, it's minus 78, and that will be a danger pinpoint submission for him. 3, and I won. That's awesome, guys. Continue. Now let's fight with the Big E, this bulky guy. I don't have any health left, so let's try to crush him. Three, two, one, and tag him. Nope, he's trying to Running bulldog again. I will try to do that. Yep,
Smart move.
that's
I can't believe
diving
this
leg
actually
drop.
happened.
This
Ooh, that was
makes
brutal.
sure that health of your opponent is decreased by many points, and I will try to do the
Look
running
at
bulldog
this.
again, and I'm able to
Boston
do that.
crab.
That's a submission thing, and I
Looks
hope
like
I
he's
will be able
struggling.
to submit it.
Submitted.
Yes, submit it, sir. Biggie, please submit it. Submit it. Nope.
No chance.
No chance for me. That's John Cena. But there is chance
Woo,
for
we
the
know what's
bulldog
coming.
move. That will be a danger point.
Poetry in motion. There we go. Make him pay.
3
I saw it.
and
I
I
still
won.
don't believe I saw it.
Yep, you're bulky guy, John Cena. I didn't heal John Cena, but let's hope that opponent won't be that great. Oops,
I think
it's
they
the
have
same
something
guy.
to say to these superstars.
It's the same guy, guys. I'm gonna do the
Boston
bottom
crab.
grab, but I won't be submitted because
Submitted.
just look at his health. It's very, very good health.
Ah, he's barely holding on. It doesn't
No.
get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
Bottom grab again.
I don't like the looks of this.
Fisherman
Oh
suplex.
no, I
Bam.
can't look.
Again, please do that. Okay, again the super move. Damn, that's danger pin for
Oh,
him.
that'll leave a mark.
But I
have
think I
seen
have
it
to
all
do the pin
tonight.
movement. 1, 2, 3. Yep. What do you think about my gameplay? If you like my gameplay, make sure to subscribe to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel. Let's try the 1 versus 1 mode. Now let's find for a match. Okay, that's level 11. Oops, mine level is 5. His is... Oh my god. I have to upgrade my character. Let's try some milk.
You've ranked up now.
That looks good. Let's continue with the match. There are 6 superstar classes, powerhouse, etc.
I can't wait to get
As soon as the
started.
match starts, make sure you are hitting your opponent right in his face, and if he is blocking, move backwards and use your special abilities like I am using my running bulldog for now.
Will you listen to that crowd?
He will be losing his a lot of health like you can see,
Oh,
but
yeah.
he's supercharged, so I'm gonna use my fisherman suplex right there, and bam, minus 122.
Oh, yes.
Yup, he's supercharged with his special ability for now, and nope, I can't be, okay, I'm gonna use a Boston grab again.
Boston crab.
Yeah,
Looks like he's struggling.
I won't be able to make him submit, but I will make sure that he's gonna lose his a lot of health. Like you can see, I make him lose his a lot of point. Just lagging
He's in trouble.
lagging drop. Okay, and bam, that's
Oh, that'll leave a mark.
a lot of damage. He's supercharged with this ability, and I'm using the running bulldog once again, and that will be a
Oh,
danger
too
pin
much
for
pain
him.
for one man.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yup, I won. That was pretty easy match. I won 50 stars and 100 cash. That's awesome for this very little match. If you're liking my videos and subscribing to my channel, I thank you from deep inside my heart. If you haven't, then make sure to like and share this video, because it matters a lot to me. I have been investing my time to give you these awesome videos, and I hope you will take care of my request.
Oh, I think we have
Oh,
the best in
that's
the
me
house.
versus me. That's Boston
We know what's
Crab, and I
coming.
think I hope I will make him
He's barely
lose
holding
a lot
on.
of health. That won't be a submission because
Submitted.
he got a lot of health. But what I can
No
make sure is
chance.
make him lose a lot of his
Nice.
health. That's bam, bam, bam. Fisherman suplex. Nope, I was not able to
Oh
do
no,
that, and
I
he
can't
used his
look.
special ability. That's O corner,
Oh,
and bam, I
Power
will lose a
Room.
lot of my health, like
This is the move that
170.
makes him famous.
That's not good. I know you are Shad Cable, but I'm also Shad Cable, you know? DDT, DDT,
Uh-oh,
yep,
we know what's coming.
DDT.
DDT. I love it. The crowd
Yep,
loves
I
it.
also love it.
Oh, we all love it.
He is supercharged.
He is barely
No,
holding
no
on.
way.
Just how much
He is
pain
using
can
Boston
someone
Crab.
withstand? Submitted.
No, I won't be submitting it.
It doesn't get any closer than that without the bell ringing.
But I think I
Boston
will make
Crab.
him
Want
submit.
to see him get out of this one.
Tit for tat.
Submitted. Oh,
Yep,
nobody gets
tapped.
up from that.
I won again. These online versus matches are not that tough to tackle if you're doing them right. Every superstar class has an advantage. Okay, I know. Shad Cable, both my superstars are, out of health, so I'm gonna go with Alexa Bliss. Let's find another match. She's a female, and I got oops. Her level is 14. That's very very high level. Look at her dress. That's crazy.
I think they have something to say to these
Yep,
superstars.
I'm gonna hit you right away. Monkey
I
flip.
can't believe this is happening. I can't watch this.
A moment of bliss.
My goodness.
This was
Oh,
funny.
nice.
Monkey
No,
flip once
not
again.
again. Hey, here's the setup. Oh, my
Bam.
goodness.
She's charged, but I'm gonna use.
Someone's got to
Oops.
stop her.
She used his Asuka lock.
Look at the athleticism.
Nope, 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 nope. She's making me lose a lot of my health.
No chance.
No chance, but I have got a chance. Another
This
monkey
isn't gonna be
flip.
pretty.
That's
Yep, he's going for
danger
it.
pin submission, I think.
Off.
Yep.
Good cover. Is it enough?
1, 2, 3.
I saw it. I still don't believe I saw it.
That was very short match. The hurry loot case gives you things like health kits and cash, and you need to go ahead. Okay. The level of my character is increased to level 5. That's awesome. Now let's try Bailey, because all other superstars are, out of health and they are being resting. The health of my opponent is again lesser than mine, and I think that's a great advantage on me, but I have to be very very careful.
Never seen a crowd so fired up.
She's blocking a lot of my moves. Yep, look at her, how she's blocking. I think she's a good player,
What do you think she's up to?
and I used my special ability, that spring arm drag.
Bam.
Bam, minus 90.
Mark. Ouch.
Okay, lower.
Using
Okay,
her
use my
super
special
move.
toe Higgs press. Yeah, bam, 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 minus 22. A lot of health, but oops.
She's taking her
She's also
down
using
now.
his
What the
leg
heck?
drop. My character is suffering. her blocking technique is very good,
Spectacular. Someone's
but
gotta
I'm good
stop
at
her.
using the moves.
Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Oh, such technique.
Yep, my technique is good, guys. But hers is also good.
Wait a minute. She's not going to.
Yep,
Is she?
that's
Oh my
running
goodness.
drop kick, and
Is it
that's
enough to
danger
put
pin
her away?
submission. 1, 2, 3.
That was just a matter of time.
Yeah, that's just a matter of time. Make sure you have subscribed to WWE Mayhem YouTube channel so that I can provide you with more such awesome videos, tips and tricks. That's a victory. Now let's move towards the next match. Nikki Bella. Let's see what types of moves Nikki Bella got, because I'm playing with this character for the very first time. I have to upgrade my character a little bit, but I don't have much cash, so I'm gonna move forward.
Ready and raring to go.
Bam. Spin Buster.
Yes. I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Bam.
I've never seen anything like this.
Yep, you have not seen anything like
This is
this.
what the
Oops.
fans came to see.
She used his spring arm drag, and that will make me lose a lot of health. But
Such technique. Whoa,
Sunset.
that took her by surprise. To the midsection.
Sunset flip power boom.
When I can open my eyes.
And that's boom boom. She's blocking my move and she is ready to use her special ability. But I have to make sure that she is not able to do that. Look how she is blocking her move.
Look out
Oops.
below. She's
She
giving her
used
the
his special
business.
ability, and
Bailey elbow drop.
that's not good.
That'll be heard all around
Look
the
at the
world.
animation. They are very happy.
Magnificent.
And that's
Let's hear it out of this one.
diving
Look
leg
at this.
drop.
What the heck? This is it.
That's danger pin, direct danger pin.
I know I saw it.
And I won
I
again.
believe I saw it.
My characters are worth, they never let me down. I again won the match. Make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be bringing such amazing videos. Let's play the next match. And now this time I have to choose the Sasha Banks. Let's see what Sasha got. Oops, the health of Sasha is much lower than the opponent's health. And that's not a good sign for me, because I have to make sure. Oops, that's the previous version of
And neither can I.
the character. She is very danger, but I am also danger. The head out.
I know what's coming. Headbutt.
Bash 985. Now we are on same level. Critical -5.
Let's see her get out of this.
That's again the running drop kick. She is suffering, but she is ready for her special moves. Yup. Yes, no, she used her special ability. I will lose a lot of my health. Let's just see, I lost half of my health. These special moves are very dangerous, but I have also got boom, so I can use them in a very good way.
Poetry in motion.
Poetry in motion.
How much more punishment can one
Again,
endure?
that's hair pull slam.
Oh no, I can't look.
Danger pin. Let's see if I'm able to do
Squeezing
that.
a nickel to the buffalo screen.
1, 2, 3. Yup,
Anywhere.
I won this match again. You can see that how good I am in these matches, as the I'm able to finish them in within a few minutes. The graphics of WWE Mayhem is very good, as you can see in my previous games and in this current game. That's why I have suggested this game to a lot of my viewers, because this is just an awesome match, awesome type of game. So all the superstars are, tired, so I'm gonna try with Kevin Owens. Let's see what Kevin have got. That's me versus Harsh. Okay, Kofi Kingston. Okay, I think I have to upgrade my superstar, but nope, I don't have that much of cash for now, so I'm gonna continue. Powerhouse, Showman, Technician, Wildcard, Regulars and High Flyer are the 6 types of superstar classes. As soon as match starts, I'm gonna bam him right in his face and use my running station special move.
Things just got crazy.
That's bam, minus 84. He's not still able to use his special ability, so I'm gonna use my corner
Oh, wait, he's not going to, is he?
clotheslines bash.
The crowd loves it. Oh, we all love it.
Now he is using his mind. He's blocking my moves and he used his special ability. That's jumping clotheslines again. He used my special move on me, but I'm gonna make him lose. He's a lot of health.
Oh, how much pain can one man
I will make
withstand?
sure he got a lot of pain. Danger pin, danger pin, danger pin. Nope,
No chance.
no chance. He's charged to use his ability.
He's barely holding on.
That's it.
Pop up,
Power bomb.
That'll be heard all around the world.
Pop up power bomb. That will be direct submission, I'm pretty much sure. Yep. I won. I have got 100 cash and 50 stars. Complete as many time quest objectives as possible to add for chance to ping rank rewards. Okay, I got it. Now let's try the next match. I will try it with Seth Rollins. I think I have also not supercharged the Seth Rollins, so let's hope that opponent have not got that much of health. They are pretty much on same level. That Seth Rollins versus Seth Rollins, both not upgraded. So let's just hope for the best. As soon as the match starts, just bash him right on as a face and use my special move,
Can one endure?
and that's shooting star press. He's also supercharged, but I don't know why he's not using it. Yep, he used his special ability again. Both of us are on same level, but his super move seems to more promising to me. But I'm also good, Yep, he lost his ability. Do my thing.
Smart move.
That sharpshooter.
Sharpshooter.
I will make sure to make him lose a lot of his health.
Oh, looks like he's struggling.
Yep, he's struggling, boy.
Back in it.
Come back. Yep, he lost his health. I mean the super ability.
This could end his career.
The Strangler,
Can't believe
Sling
what I'm
Blade,
seeing.
Bash,
Sling blade. Oh, that'll leave a
minus
mark.
80. Come back. Nope. No, that's not good.
He's going for a submission.
Nope, I'm not going for submission. You are wrong.
He is barely holding on.
I'm totally holding on. Like you can see.
Any closer than that without the bell ringing.
He's supercharged for both his moves. But I'm good, damn. You can see swing neck breaker.
Oh, someone's got to stop him.
Danger pin. 1, 2. Oh,
Nine.
I
believe
can't
this is
afford
actually
another super move. No.
happening. Look out, buckle bomb. That'll be heard all around the world.
What?
And here we go.
Here we go.
I can't believe this is actually
Again,
happening.
danger
I
pin.
have seen it all tonight.
But this time it will be easy. You see, that's easy.
Legs.
I got 50 stars and 100 cash. I think this is enough for this stream, guys. And if you really liked my video, make sure to subscribe to WWE Mayhem, and I will be bringing such of more of these videos. And I have gained a lot of cash and a lot of health and a lot of you know, supercharges in this match. And if you liked this video, make sure to share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family members so that they can also watch these amazing WWE Mayhem related fights. And I will see you in another video, and thank you.